Hello vendor friends, myself Arnav from GozoCap. Through this video we'll learn about how to add destination nodes in our partner app. Very simple steps. Open the Gozo partner app. Go to manage section, destination node. Let me describe about destination node. Destination node means if there is any issue in a particular city or in a state, so you can mention that issue through this option. That issue will be registered in our system. We'll cross check it, we'll verify, we'll approve it, and it will show in the booking. Whatever the booking will come for that city, from that zone, it will reflect in all the bookings. So the driver and the vendor and the customer will be able to know before their journey that this is the issue is already ongoing, and they will be very much aware about it. They can also be taken the proper measure for that cases. So let's see how we can utilize this option, how we can register the destination node. First you have to select the city or state. Let's select the state. These are the state. So for example, West Bengal, there is a band. So if there is any strike in Bengal, date for example 14. Usually it is for whole day, but still if you want you can mention the time. For example, 6 a.m. 14 December, time is till 6 p.m. This way you can add it. If you want to add more details, who has called this strike and for whatever the reason is, so whatever, if you want you can add more. Then go to proceed. If you proceed it will be registered destination node added successfully. So it will be added in our system, and accordingly we will cross check, we will verify it. If it is genuine, it will be added to the booking in all booking created for West Bengal. So this is very nice feature. It can, if you add destination node, it can be helpful for customers. There is option in customers also. If they add it, then it will also be there. There is option for driver also. It is also there. So we as an Gozo team also added the destination nodes. It will reflect on booking even. So it will be very helpful. Beforehand you will get to know whatever the challenges are will be there, and you can take the measures accordingly. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share the video with anyone, and subscribe GozoCap. And definitely if you have any feedback, put it in comment section below. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.